Hello everyone. So today we'll be solving a problem of Regional Mathematical Olympiad. So this problem came in Regional Mathematical Olympiad RMO in the year 2016. Let's check the problem. The problem is let A, B, C are three positive real number, okay, and such a way that A divided by 1 upon A plus B divided by 1 plus B plus C upon 1 plus C is equal to 1, that is given, and we have to prove the product of these three numbers is less than equal to 1 by 8. See, in this kind of problems, uh, most of the times you have to check what we need to prove. According to that, we'll arrange what we need. Okay, so here the product of three terms are given. Okay, that means we have to use am greater than gm inequality, because you don't know anything about this number other than these three numbers are positive real number. One more case is where, for example, the reciprocal sum is given 1 upon a plus 1 upon b plus 1 upon c is given, and we have to prove this is greater than equal to 1 by 8. So in this case, when reciprocal of numbers is given, you have to use gm greater than equal to hm inequality. Here am stands for arithmetic mean, gm stands for geometric means, and hm stands for harmonic mean. So here product of these three numbers are given, that means we have to use am greater than gm inequality. I'll show you how. So I'll be solving this question in the next slide. So this is given. All I can do here is if I take LCM, I'll get this as a multiplied by, if I take LCM, I'll get this in the numerator, a multiplied by 1 plus b multiplied by 1 plus c plus b times multiplied by these two terms, that is 1 plus a multiplied by 1 plus c plus c times I'll get this as 1 plus a multiplied by 1 plus b, and the LCM is 1 plus a, 1 plus b, 1 plus c, and I'll multiply, cross multiply on the other side. I'll get this as 1 plus a multiplied by 1 plus b multiplied by 1 plus c. Now I'll solve this and we'll check what we'll get in the end. So we'll do it step by step. So a multiplied by, I'll take the product of these two first. Then I'll multiply a inside. So we'll get this as 1 plus b plus c plus bc plus again I'll keep b outside and I'll multiply these two terms. So I'll get this as 1 plus a plus c plus ac plus c times, again I'll multiply these two and I'll keep c outside, that is 1 plus a plus b plus ab. Now on the right hand side, I'll get this as 1 plus a, I'll keep outside and I'll multiply with these two terms. So I'll get this as 1 plus b plus c plus bc. Now again I'll multiply these remaining terms inside here. So the product will be equal to a plus ab plus ac plus abc plus, again I'll multiply b inside here. I'll get b plus ab plus bc plus abc plus, again I'll multiply c inside. I'll get this as c plus ac plus cb plus abc is equal to, again I'll multiply a in this 1 as well as a inside. So I'll, with 1 I'll get this as 1 plus b plus c plus bc plus, with a I'll get this as a plus ab plus ac plus abc. Now as you can see, some things are like I can cancel out some terms here. I can cancel out with a. Here ab I can cancel out with ab. One by one will cancel. AC, I can see AC here, so I'll cancel out AC with AC. Now ABC with ABC I'll cancel out. Okay, remaining is B, I can cancel out with B, and C I can cancel out with this C. Okay, remaining is BC. I have BC here, so BC and BC will cancel out. Remaining is see, all the terms on the right hand side are cancelled, and one more term is remaining, that is 1. So I'll keep it here only, and I'll write the remaining term on the left hand side. The remaining terms are AB plus AB plus ABC plus AC plus CB plus ABC. See, ABC is coming twice, so I'll write this as 2ABC, and the remaining terms are AC plus CB plus twice of ABC is equal to 1. So I got this, and now I'll apply AM greater than GM here. So I'm going to solve this in the next slide. So I got this as AB plus AC. AB plus AC plus CB plus 2AB plus CB plus 2ABC is equal to 1 I got. And as I told you, the product is given, that means I'm going to use AM greater than equal to GM. Here AM stands for arithmetic mean and GM stands for geometric mean. So I'm going to apply arithmetic mean and geometric mean, this inequality here between these four numbers. The four numbers are AB, AC, CB and twice of ABC. And the sum I know, but the product I don't know. Why I'm calculating this AM greater than GM? Because if I take the product, I'll get the inequality for product of these three numbers. So here I'm applying. So the sum of AM will be equal to sum of this number divided by 4 is greater than equal to, the geometric mean will be product of all these numbers and fourth root. So the product of these four numbers, AB multiplied by AC multiplied by CB multiplied by twice of ABC whole raised to power 1 by 4. Now this we know, we have already calculated, and this is equal to 1. So I'm going to plug this value here, that is the value will be equal to 1. So I got 1 by 4 here, that is greater than equal to. Now let's take the product of these all these terms, four terms. A is coming thrice, so A cube. B is coming again thrice, so B cube, and C is coming also 3 times, that is 3 C cube, and 2 is already here, so 2 is outside, whole raised to power 1 by 4. Now I'll take power 4 on both sides so that I can remove this fourth root. I'll get this as 1 upon 4 raised to power whole raised to power 4, that is greater than equal to 2 A cube, B cube and C cube. My motive is to calculate, we have to prove this inequality. The product of all these three numbers A, B, C is less than equal to 1 by 8. So I'll do one thing here. I'll transfer 2 on the other side. I can write this as A cube, B cube, C cube. Here I'm writing this on the left hand side because we want to prove this. And it is less than equal to, see, I can write this as, this is 4 raised to power 4 and I can write this as 2 raised to power 8. I can write this as 2 raised to power 8. So this is less than 2 raised to power 8. Multiplied with this 2, I'll transfer on the left hand side, so 1 by 2. Now here I got this as less than equal to, these two terms are equal, I got this as 1 by 2 raised to power 9. Now if I take cube root here, because we want to prove ABC, so if I take cube root here, I'll get ABC, and all these three numbers are positive, so the inequality will not change. So I'll get ABC is less than the cube root of 2 raised to power 9, that will be equal to 1 upon 2 raised to power 3, and that is equal to 1 by 8. So we wanted to prove ABC is less than 1 by 8, and here we got ABC is less than equal to 1 by 8. ABC is less than equal to 1 by 2 raised to power 3 is 1 by 8. So hence proved. So that will be all for this question. See, in the question they can modify, they can give you the sum in reciprocal. Okay, so there we have to use GM greater than HM inequality. Hence the product is given, we are using AM greater than equal to GM. So that will be all for this question. If you like my method, please like and subscribe the video. That's all, and thank you.